So today we're having a quick look at the Ooni outdoor pizza oven. Looking at it, it's small and fairly compact. It's connected to a Calagas canister, and these can be purchased at a local garden centre or petrol station. It is weatherproof, can be left outside, but to be honest, I would say it's worth getting a cover, which you can buy from the Ooni website. Inside the oven, there's a removable stone baking board that you put the pizzas on, and this is removable, so it's great and easy to clean. It's worth purchasing a laser thermometer. It's basically a safe way to monitor the temperature. The optimum temperature for cooking is 500 degrees centigrade or 950 Fahrenheit. You turn on the Ooni oven. There's a knob on the right hand side. So let's make a pizza. 500 degrees.
You're all ready for this? You told me. A bit more pine nuts.
There are various Ooni models. This one is the Ooni Koda 16, and it also comes as an Ooni Koda 12, which stands for 12-inch and 16-inch respectively. There you go. Great fun. Certainly great results. Food was lovely. Obviously you've got to store it somewhere, but if you like pizza and you like outdoor cooking, this is a no-brainer. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and look out for more videos coming soon.